In prime time news this evening, a new task force. Security forces launch anti-gang unit to fight crime. Hospital security calls for increased measures after missing patient found dead. And George Wright demands apology after being shunned by opposition PNP. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the government's plans to open up government events to vaccinated patrons only? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.